Board's not available. We're gonna have to send you a whole refrigerator. Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. Very chilly morning here in southern West Virginia. We got our first little skiff of snow of the season, and it's chilly. My ears are cold. I need more hair. Anyway, what we're doing today, we're working on this little scamp. We're working on a Dometic refrigerator that I've never seen before. It's the 10 series refrigerator. A little bit of investigation on Dometic's website tells me that the 10 series is a brand new refrigerator. Has a few different versions. This is probably like the base model version. Some of them work with you know, like the in-command systems and all that, so you can actually control your refrigerator on your app or on your touchpad in your camper. This is not one of them. This just still has all manual controls. And this one, the gentleman used it and then went to use it like a month later. Nothing. No lights inside, no lights on the display, no nothing. It's like it's completely dead. He says he has checked 12 volt power and ground and the AC power. Of course, I have to recheck that for myself. And then if all that's good, then I'm gonna have to just call Dometic. I've never seen this refrigerator, and there's not a lot of information out there on this refrigerator, the 10 series. This is a model 10.5X. So let me get y'all set up, meter out, check power and grounds, and then I'll just, like I say, I've called Dometic because I don't know how to proceed. So I did verify that we have no lights on the display, no interior lights or anything like that. One thing I found I thought was pretty neat on this refrigerator is the fact that you can open the door either way. The door opens left or right without modifying anything. It just it's got a latch on either side. You unlatch, you unhook the latch on one side, the door swings that way. You latch that one and you unlatch the other one and it swings the other way. That was different. And also, this is a three-way refrigerator, which I hadn't seen a three-way refrigerator in a long time. I thought that was pretty different. Yeah, I can't get that tester on the AC side, but I don't think that matters. I think we need to check the DC side, because like I say, it's like we have no power on our controls at all. Now this has got Wagos from the factory. I think there's supposed to be a test port. Well, maybe not. I thought there was a test port. I can test it right there. No, that's plastic. Okay, I gotta try and go up inside the connector then. Yeah, we can do that. 13.15. So, all right, at this point, I think, yeah, I'm gonna call Dometic because I don't even know how to access that board. Almost looks to me like that board it almost looks like a sealed unit. I'm not sure. Let me call Dometic, get them on the phone. I'll be back with y'all. Well, that escalated quickly. I got a hold of got Dometic, got all the information, told him what I found, and he's like, hang on. And well, I'd ask him, I said, do you think it's a board? He said, yeah. I said, can we get a board? He said, let me check. He come back, he's like, no, board's not available. We're gonna have to send you a whole refrigerator. I'm like, yeah. So so yeah, I guess even though I don't do that, I don't do whole refrigerator replacements anymore. I guess I'm gonna do this one. It's probably gonna be 2 to 3 weeks before we get the refrigerator. So I guess I'm gonna bring y'all along later for a refrigerator replacement on the 10 series refrigerator. So that way I'll give you a good look at the refrigerator inside and out. We'll go over it, look at it really good, and then maybe you'll know more about it than I do, which ain't hard to do because it's the first time I ever seen that refrigerator. Didn't know it existed until a week ago when this guy called. He called and he said, yeah, I got a 10 series Dometic refrigerator. I'm like, you sure? He said, yep. Well, never heard of it. So I went on Dometic's website and there it is, sure enough. Apparently it's a brand new refrigerator this year, and they don't have parts for it. So they're just, any component goes bad, they just replace the whole refrigerator. That's to me, that's genius. I mean, is it not? It's just genius. Why not? When you're going to manufacture a new product, make a few extra parts. I don't know. Anyway, that's all I got for today. Y'all stay warm. Hopefully it's warmer than it is here in southern West Virginia today. And as far as I know, that's it for me today. So not gonna go up road and fix another one. So y'all have a fantastic day.